Hey guys, it's Victoria. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how I apply false lashes. So I know I apply my false lashes on every single video, so you guys have definitely seen me do this before, because that's usually the part of the video where I would fast forward through it. So I'm going to show you guys step by step how I apply them. I know there's definitely other videos out there showing you guys how to apply false lashes, but I think that it would be helpful because everybody does it a different way. False lashes are definitely more of a stressful thing for people to think about when they think about applying them, but they're really actually not that bad once you get used to them. I always wear them because I love the way that they make your makeup look, so let's get started. So I already have all of my makeup done except for my lashes, because that's what I'm going to show you guys how to do today. So I guess I'll start out with which kind of lashes I use and that you guys could use if you want to. The lashes that I love are the Ardell Wispy lashes, and I usually get the multi-pack. I only have one left, but I have a whole nother pack on hand. I feel like this whole pack is usually $12 or $14, I don't know, something like that. I also reuse these, but like I clean them off once I take them off. I will clean them off with like makeup remover and make sure there's nothing on them so that when I wear them next time they're clean. And I usually get them at like Ulta, but I also know that they sell them individually, like just one pair, so like that. And just like Ardell lashes in general are usually just really good. Definitely recommend Ardell, especially if you are a beginner and you don't know which kinds of lashes to go for, because I know when you go into the store there's like so many different options to choose from. I also know the Kiss lashes are pretty good. I've heard good things about them. Thing is to just try different types out and find which one is the one that you like and what is good for you. So now let's get started with actually how to apply these lashes. For glue, I use the Duo brush on glue. I know a lot of people use the one that's in the tube, that's the Duo glue, and they squirt it onto the back of their hand and they take the lash and they dip it in. But personally, I like the brush on glue because, I don't know, I feel like it's less messy and I can like put the glue where I want on the lashes so that it doesn't get on the actual lashes itself, so that the glue is just on the band. I use this glue here. It looks like this. It just has this little brush on it that looks like that, and it's a thin brush so that you can get a nice and precise application. Now I know sometimes people have to cut their lashes, I guess if they have like smaller eyes or they just want like the lashes to be more towards the outer corners, but personally if I can, I just like to use the whole lash and put that on, because for me, I think that looks best for my eyes. So now you have your lashes. Obviously, the side that has the smaller corner, that's the inner corner of your eye, and then the longer lashes are on the outside. The first thing that I like to do that is a little trick is, because now that you've pulled them off of this plastic, they tend to sometimes be a little bit straighter. Like the band tends to be a little straighter than it should be. And your eye shape is curved when you put them on. So the little trick is to just take your eyelashes and kind of, here, I'll like try and get, if you just take the lashes by each end and just kind of like go like this with them, because you're just kind of curving them so that they form a shape so that it's easier and they apply better onto your eyes. Now they are much more curved than they were, so that it'll apply onto your eyelids better. And the point of that is so that when you put the glue on, they are in this shape so they won't have the tendency to lift up as much. Now for glue, what I do next is take the eyelashes and then the glue, and I just take it like this and apply the glue onto the edge of the band. And another thing that might be helpful when doing this is to apply a little bit more glue on the outer corners of the lashes, because that is where they usually will lift up as you are wearing them. You can use your fingers, but I like to use a tweezer Or they even have the ones now that are meant for putting on false eyelashes that have the little curve to really grab the whole lash. You do want to let them dry a little bit after you put the glue on, but because I'm not doing that where I put them on the back of my hand, there's not like a ton of glue on these eyelashes, so I don't need to let them dry for as long. You use a smaller mirror to get close up and then apply it to, you want to try and lean more towards the outer corners of your eye. Place it in the middle and then take the tweezer to the outer corner and then do the inner corner. You can even use your fingers now to really press them on. Now you just do the same thing for the other eye. So again, take the lashes, wiggle them a little bit, just kind of like put them in the U shape again, and now you have them curved. Take your glue, brush it on, grab your tweezers, take them by the middle, and apply them outer corner and inner corner. So that's it. It's pretty simple, but you just have to practice it a lot. Another thing that I usually like to do when I apply my lashes, and as you can see today, I didn't put on a ton of eye makeup or like winged liner so you guys can see what I was doing a little bit better. What you can do now is take an eyeliner and line over where your lashes are on your eyelids and your eyeliner, because that is something that I do recommend doing. You don't have to, but I think personally that it helps, because I mean I see people do put on false eyelashes and put no liner and it looks fine, but I don't know, for me I like doing at least a thin line just so that the band of the eyelashes aren't so noticeable. After you apply them though, even though you already have the eyeliner on the bottom, you might still be able to see a little bit of the eyelash band. If you did mess up or get the glue on your eyelids, or you just want to add a little bit more eyeliner just so that you don't see the band as much, take your eyeliner and go over the band with the eyeliner and just kind of like color over it, and you're just blackening it up a little bit so that if there is any glue or anything, it is gone, so you can't see it and it just blends. Like everyone's always saying to blend your real eyelashes into your false eyelashes. Well, I think it's important to blend the band of the eyelashes with your actual lash line. So now I know a lot of people put mascara on their eyelashes to blend them together, but I don't know, for me, I usually go without it. I don't usually put mascara on my false eyelashes. When I put mascara on, I put it on the bottom lashes only. So that's what I'm gonna do. Especially if you're reusing them, it makes it harder to clean, and I don't know, sometimes I think it makes them like clump together. So that is it for today's video on how to apply false lashes. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and I hope that it was helpful for you. I think that everybody does makeup a little bit different, so maybe seeing this compared to somebody else's will be helpful because everybody does it a different way. Seeing other ways to do certain things sometimes helps you figure out which way you'll be able to do it and which way works for you. That's it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, be sure to like, comment, share, and subscribe, and hit that bell button so that you can turn on my post notifications so you get notified when I upload every new video. Follow me on Instagram, Twitter, and Facebook that are, as always, linked down below in the description, and check out my last video as well. I'll probably be doing more of these, like how to makeup looks, especially like for beginners and stuff. Stay tuned for more of that because I will probably be making that like a series or playlist or something on this channel. Hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I will see you guys next time. Thanks for watching. Bye!